Most important temples. 1. Brihadiswarar temple is located in which state? A. Karnataka. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Kerala. D. Odisha. B. Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Brihadiswarar temple. Built by Raja Raja Chola. Tallest temple tower. UNESCO site. 2. Konark Sun Temple is dedicated to which god? A. Shiva. B. Vishnu. C. Surya. D. Brahma. C. Surya. Konark Sun Temple, Odisha. Known as Black Pagoda. Built by Narsimha Deva first. UNESCO World Heritage Site. 3. Jagannath Temple is located at A. Bhubaneswar. B. Puri. C. Cuttack. D. Konark. B. Puri, Odisha. Jagannath Temple. Famous Rath Yatra. Heart of Kar Dham. 4. Kedarnath Temple is situated on the bank of which river? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Mandakini. D. Alaknanda. C. Mandakini. Kedarnath Temple. Located Rudraprayag, Uttarakhand. One of the Kar Dham. One of 12 Jyotirlingas. 5. Meenakshi Temple is located in A. Madurai. B. Tanjavur. C. Kanchipuram. D. Ramehvaram. B. Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Meenakshi Temple. Deity Meenakshi, Parvati. Dravidian architecture. 1000-pillar hall. 6. Golden Temple is also known as A. Takht Sahib. B. Harmandir Sahib. C. Anandpur Sahib. D. Patna Sahib. B. Harmandir Sahib. Golden Temple. Located at Amritsar, Punjab. Built by Guru Arjuna Dev. Gold plated by Maharaja Ranjit Singh. 7. Which temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas? A. Somnath. B. Tirupati. C. Konark. D. Meenakshi. A. Somnath. 8. Tirupati Balaji Temple is located in which state? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Telangana. D. Karnataka. B. Andhra Pradesh. Tirupati Balaji Temple. Lord Venkateshwar. Richest temple in the world. 9. Rameswaram Temple is situated in A. Odisha. B. Kerala. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Andhra Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. Rameswaram Temple. Lord Shiva. One of Kar Dham. Longest corridor in India. 10. Which temple is associated with Rath Yatra? A. Sun Temple. B. Jagannath Temple. C. Kedarnath. D. Somnath. B. Jagannath Temple. 11. Lingaraj Temple is located in A. Puri. B. Cuttack. C. Bhubaneswar. D. Konark. C. Bhubaneswar. 12. Which temple is called the Black Pagoda? A. Jagannath Temple. B. Sun Temple, Konark. C. Lingaraj Temple. D. Meenakshi Temple. B. Konark Sun Temple. 13. Amarnath Cave Temple is dedicated to A. Vishnu. B. Shiva. C. Brahma. D. Indra. B. Shiva. Amarnath Cave Temple. Famous ice shivling. 14. Vaishno Devi Temple is located in which UT state? A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Uttarakhand. C. Jammu and Kashmir. D. Punjab. C. Jammu and Kashmir. Vaishno Devi Temple. Trikuta Hills. One of the most visited Shakti temple. 15. Which temple is famous for its Dravidian architecture? A. Konark. B. Meenakshi. C. Somnath. D. Kedarnath. B. Meenakshi. 16. Somnath temple is located in which state? A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Maharashtra. D. Madhya Pradesh. B. Gujarat. Somnath temple. Hiran river. First Jyotirlinga. 17. Which temple is one of Kardham? A. Kedarnath. B. Vaishno Devi. C. Somnath. D. Meenakshi. A. Kedarnath. 18. Mahabodhi temple is located at A. Sarnath. B. Bodh Gaya. C. Kushinagar. D. Lumbini. B. Bodh Gaya, Bihar. Mahabodhi temple. Buddha attained enlightenment here. UNESCO site. 19. Khajuraho temples are located in A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Bihar. C. Madhya Pradesh. 20. Which river flows near Rameswaram temple? A. Ganga. B. Kaveri. C. Bay of Bengal. D. Godavari. C. Bay of Bengal. 21. Which temple is dedicated to Lord Venkateshwar? A. Tirupati Balaji. B. Meenakshi. C. Somnath. D. Kedarnath. A. Tirupati Balaji. 22. Which temple is located on Nilachal Hill? A. Kamakhya. B. Vaishno Devi. C. Kedarnath. D. Somnath. A. Kamakhya temple. Kamakhya temple, Guwahati, Assam. River, Brahmaputra river. One of 51 Shakti Pithas. 23. Which temple is famous for 1000 pillars? A. Meenakshi. B. Rameswaram. C. Tirupati. D. Kedarnath. B. Rameswaram. 25. Which temple is associated with Shaivism? A. Somnath. B. Tirupati. C. Jagannath. D. Kamakhya. A. Somnath. 26. Which temple is located in Tanjavur? A. Brihadiswarar. B. Meenakshi. C. Rameswaram. D. Somnath. A. Brihadiswarar. Brihadiswarar temple. Built by Raja Chola. 27. Sun temple at Konark is located on the coast of A. Arabian Sea. B. Bay of Bengal. C. Indian Ocean. D. Red Sea. B. Bay of Bengal. 28. Sabrimala temple is dedicated to Lord Ayyappa, Kerala. 29. Kailas temple is located at Ellora cave. Built by Krishna first, Rashtarkut. 30. Dilwara Jain temple are located at Mount Abu, Rajasthan. 31. City of temples known as Varanasi. Kashi Vishwanath temple. 32. Ram temple is located at Ayodhya Saryu river. Ram Mandir. Pran Pratishtha, 22nd January 2024. Architecture, Nagara style. Trust, Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra. Ram Lalla sculptor, Arun Yogiraj. Using black Shaligram stone. 33. Omkareshwar temple is located on Mandhata Island. Dwarkadhish temple.